Okay, this is a short video to show everybody how to use this program right here, Nai.Exe, to move apps from the computer into your Nubia watch, Nubia Alpha, Nubia watch, and I believe the new Nubia, the one without a camera. Okay, so first thing you do is you download this app. Okay, it's on Google. It's on Google. You just Google it, download it. The next thing you do is turn off your antivirus. You have to turn off your antivirus. So you go, if you're using Windows antivirus, this right here, okay, you go to let's see, you go to manage settings. You turn real time off. You turn this off, the cloud delivered protection, okay? And then you go back over here and you download Nai. Now, the best way to do it is you click on, let me see. Give me 1 second. Let me find it. Let's see, manage settings. No, not here. Let's go back. Scan options, quick scan, full scan, scan now. Not here. Don't worry, we'll get to it. Allowed threads, change privacy settings. No. So what I'm looking for is there's a place you go to and you can allow a folder or a file, okay? So it wouldn't be searched. That's what I'm trying to locate right now. Give me 1 second. Home. Family option, device security. No, no, no. Let's go back here. Allow threads, protection history, privacy settings. No, change privacy settings. Let's see. No, not this. Okay. Anyway, all you do is just turn it off. Turn what I told you to turn off. Go to manage settings. Turn this off. Okay. And then you install this. The best way to install this is you can either install it to the desktop as you see here. If you install to the desktop, make sure that all the APKs you download online, you put them here on the desktop. All the APKs that go into the phone have to be in the same folder with the app itself, okay? Now, let's open this up. I'll show you. I've opened it up. I've not connected my watch. Let me go and connect my watch. Give me 1 second. There we go. See this? You click on it. You click on run. You see this run right here? You run this so it installs all the drivers, okay? If you come over here, you see device connected. Once you see device connected, you are logged on to the watch. If you want to transfer an APK, You go to the website, you download the APK. If the APK is in the Google app, in the Google store, download it into your phone and extract the APK. Okay, you can use so many apps on Google store to extract the APK. Once you extract it, put it onto your desktop. Same place where you have the NAI. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Let me use this APK. Where is it? Okay, let me use InShare. Now, if the APK, if the name of the APK is long or has some other characters, you have to delete those characters. So for this InShare, I've done it already for this, but sometimes you can see that you come and the name of the app may be InShare dash 142 okay? See all these characters right here? You take them out. Just leave the name. No spaces, no dashes, no other characters. Take them out and leave them as InShare, okay? Or whatever name it is. Now that you've done that, you can put them into the phone, into the watch through different ways. So first one is I'm gonna drop it here. You see this plus sign right here? If you see this plus sign, that means it's gonna drop in. If you don't see it and you see a circle with a zero, with a line across it, that means it's not going in. Okay, I'll tell you how to fix that. So let me drop. It's here. If I click install, okay, it's gonna start to install. So let's click install. Device founded. This Chinese English. Device founded, installing. Okay, so it's installing right now into the watch. Now you can get some prompts. You can get invalid. If you get invalid, okay, that means that there's a problem. Usually that problem comes from either the app is not compatible. You see success. It just installed it. If you see invalid, first is either the app is not for the watch for some reason, or that it's not in the same location as the program, this Nai right here. Okay, so first thing you do is put all of them in the same folder. If it's on a desktop, you leave all of them in desktop. If it's still not working, you take this Nai and you go to your C drive. That's your C drive right here. You go to your C drive and you drop it. You drop it inside your C drive. And whatever application, APK you want to put in will also live inside this main C drive. Okay? If you are going to do it with a folder, if you created a folder for it, and you drag this and put it in a folder, you take all your APKs and put them in that folder. They have to live within the same folder, okay? So let me see. You can also do this. So let me take this name out. I clear this and I just put in InShare.apk and I click install. You see it found it again and it's installing. Okay, so this is how you use this Nai. But the first thing you do is to turn off your antivirus. If you try to play it again after you've installed and it shows you that, all you do is turn off your antivirus each time you want to use this program. It has no virus in it, it just sees it as a virus, okay? Now, there's another program I want to show you. So, my phone is connected, so let's close this Nai right here. This is the program I'm talking about. You see this right here? Scrappy, SCRCPY, okay? or Scrappy, whatever it is. Okay, this program right here, you install it. Once you click on it and you have your phone connected, if you click, you see the screen. And after this, it should show the phone or the watch. Here's my watch. If I right click twice, it simulates you pressing the button on the phone and it opens up the phone. So from here, you can scroll. Okay. Let me go to the launcher that everybody knows, the original launcher. There you go. Okay. So let me use this right here. And I click the right button and I clear my messages. Okay, so you see that? You can use this. This over here is very useful when you are doing something. So if you want to go to, if you want to change some things in the phone, because of the way the phone, how small it is, the watch, how small it is, sometimes it's hard to see things on the screen. So let me go to hidden settings. Okay, I go to hidden settings. And let me look for advanced. So you see, you control it from here. It's easier to install things and all that. Okay. And now another very important part of this whole thing is if you install something into the watch, all these APKs usually will ask you for permission. Where you go for permission is exactly where I was right now. Okay. You do ADV, you come here. Okay. You notice that everything is black. It's hard to navigate with this screen. So I will go back, then I will type in here accessibility, ACCE. It brings up this dude. I click on him. This over here, display, turns it into white. And then you come to the top button right here. And now you have all the writings. You can see the writings. Okay. Now I go back and I type in ADV. I go to ADV again. So you see them now. You see all those things that were dark, black before? Now you can see them. Have your opening links. Okay, the apps you want to use to open links, it'll do it automatically for you. But if it doesn't, you can come back here and do it. Okay, assistant voice. Okay, you see that? No assist app. That's for voice and all that. My home app. If you put in a launcher, you come here and you pick that launcher right here, okay, to be your home launcher. Or else, each time you click on the power button, it'll ask you to choose a launcher. Okay, so okay, so that's messages coming in. So you see how bold my messages are? You can read it clearly from the watch. Okay, you can discard. Let me discard that message. So phone app, SMS and all that. But this is where you need to go. Special access. You click on the special access. These are all your permission managers. Okay? Battery optimization, device administrator, do not disturb, draw over other apps like a YouTube client, which you can play YouTube on this watch. Go watch my other video. VR helper, modify system settings, notification right here. So you see I got these turned on. This is for the launcher that I'm using, so it can pick notification. Okay, so this is where you do things. Premium SMS unrestricted. If you click unrestricted, you can unrestrict any of the apps in the phone. So you see I got the Watch Droid app unrestricted right here, and so many other apps right here that you want to work on. This is where you come to do it. So let me give this unrestricted access. What else? That's here, the GPS. Sorry. That's the GPS right here. Where are you? Here should be somewhere. Just saw the sign. Okay, right here. You see here? Unrestricted access. My file manager, my two file managers, unrestricted access. So, guys, this is how you do it. Okay? When you're done with this, you just come back to here, go back to accessibility, turn this off. What am I doing? So sorry about that. Accessibility. I'm not using a mouse, so it's kind of hard. Okay. Turn this off, and you turn this off. Okay, now you're back to normal. And this phone also, this watch also has, what do you call it? Developer option, and you can only get to it via this app. So developer option, you see that? From this developer option, you can come all the way down, and you start scrolling up a little bit until you get to this right here, animator duration and all that. Put them to 0.5x so the watch becomes faster. 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now if you come back over here, you see all that this hidden settings can open up. Device and personal and all that. Some of them will work if it has to do with the watch, some wouldn't. Okay, so this is where you get all your information about the watch. Bluetooth settings. You can actually use this watch as a hotspot. Okay, I don't know why you would need that, but you can actually connect to your Wi-Fi, come over here, turn on the hotspot, and then your other things can get internet from the watch. Okay, so notification, apps with usage access. Okay, let's just click on this right here. You see apps with usage access. You see, I turn this on. So all the permissions you need, you can find them here. Okay. So that's it. I hope this video helps you guys. This is an amazing watch. And if you want to understand what this watch can do, just go to my video about titled Nubia Alpha, all tips and tricks or something like that. Okay. It's in my channel. Just go there and you'll see what this can do. This is an amazing, powerful watch. These are all my apps that I use. Okay, I can try just to show you real quick the GPS, 3D GPS. When you're using this GPS, you have to flip the watch on your wrist to show to so the screen is at the bottom of your wrist. Okay, so when you're driving, you're seeing the screen and you can hear the prompts when it tells you to turn left and turn right and all that. Okay, so that's the GPS right here. There you go. Okay, so I'm not connected. I turned everything off. That's why you're seeing it this way. But let me try to you know what? Let's go home and let me turn this on. The GPS, and I turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so where's my Wi-Fi? Okay, I need to. This is my work Wi-Fi. I'll put in something. I'll use my hotspot so I can show you guys something real quick. Okay. Um. Now that it's on, let's go back again. So Galaxy connected. Okay. So let's go back, and now we go to we go and search for the Here We Go GPS. So now that I've turned all these things on, there it is. You see right here, I'm located. Okay, sorry, I just hate doing this with I need a mouse. So I come to the car and I click and it turns it into 3D right there. Okay, and with this you can move the map around. As you can see, you can move it around. I can, okay, there you go. Watch my video, the other video, follow it carefully if you want to get this particular GPS with its map, because not all variants come with the map, okay? But this one definitely works with this right here. So I'll show you something real quick. So I swipe up and I go to recent. Let's see, recent. And I'll just pick an address from here. Let's pick this address right here, Torrance. You see that? So it's getting route. It's found a route. Now I click on start right here. There you go. 3D navigation on your watch. Okay, you see that? Let me zoom out. With voice control. With voice control. I can click on that and it puts in 2D, or you take it back to 3D. Okay, let me click on that. There you go. Okay, so I back click, cancel this, yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna get off this app. Okay, and I close this and I go back to the launcher that I use, the best launcher for this watch, absolute best launcher. You can do a whole lot with it. Okay, so imagine you're looking at the watch, all this will be wrapped around your hands. Okay, so that's the menu. Okay, if I want to move anything right here, I can easily do that. So if I want to take this control panel and bring it down here, I can do that easily. Okay, so when you download it, you can just play with it. If you want the version that I'm using, the unlocked version, then go through the links that I have on my YouTube. Okay, and from here I have these over here. You can arrange what you see, and when I click control panel, it opens up all the toggles. You see that? All the toggles are now open. See that? And these are my notifications. You see all my notifications? If I click on notification, I expand it, then it shows me all of my notifications. You see that? Okay, so there you go. So I click on it again to fold my notifications, and I click on this again to fold that. You see? You have your battery level, your brightness level. Your brightness, you can actually control it from the screen by touching it. Okay, control the brightness. So guys, I hope this works out for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.